lovely people. Welcome back to Refresh Furniture with my furniture flipping pug, Frank. You gonna say good day, buddy? He's still tired. Alright, today I'm going to clean up these bedside tables. To begin with, I'm going to clean with Carts and Millie's Clean Cart. So I got my pre-made bottle, guys. And before it dries, you wash it up with your water and a clean cloth. Are you thirsty? Is that okay? You're gonna have a drink and I'm just gonna hold it. So to begin with, let's have a look at what we've got. The drawers on this one open really well. We've got some what looks like tape marks. This one opens really well, needs a really good clean. Okay, but the fact that the drawers are in good condition is an absolute bonus. There's really no work to do on this, but basically I'm just going to take the screws off. I'm going to clean. When you're buying your furniture to flip or even just to upgrade for yourself, it does go a lot faster if you buy furniture that you don't need to repair. Hey, welcome back. So you've seen me clean these bedside tables with Carts and Millie's Clean Cart. Unfortunately, unfortunately, my camera was a little bit too full with footage and I didn't realize. So all the sanding that I didn't get filmed. All right, so let me catch you up where we're up to. So I sanded, as you can see, these entire bedside tables down. I'm going for a bit of a Hampton style, so I used Carts and Millie's Boutique Primer and Adhesive Bond. So we've got 2 coats applied there, which is great because that stuff sticks on anything. With sanding, have a look at my mask. Okay, the red stain on this, as I was sanding it out, was ferocious. See how red it is? So please, if you ever do, these bedside tables are so common, they're everywhere. And I'm just wanting to show you different ways that you can do it up. Please wear one of these, guys. Like, it's pretty dusty. Even with this mask, my throat feels a bit sore today. All right, so 120 grit sandpaper over the entire piece. It was pretty easy to sand. My daughter has done the same bedside tables in a Mandalorian look, so she stuck a poster on it if you want to see the process of how we did it, and she used the adhesive bond on it as well. Just go check out some of the past videos. So today's take on it, I wanted a quick sale, so we're going to do a bit of a Hampton spin on it. I'm using 240 grit just to sand this down. Alright, so today I'm going to be using Chelsey cream. You missed your brush, and what happens, it just helps the paint to glide along a lot better. Oh, the self-leveling on this is just crazy good. If I had to put Topcoat on this section here before I put sticky tape, that would have stopped the bleed through, but that's okay. What I wanted to do anyway is I minimized the amount of paint that kind of went over, so it's just less to sand. So now it is time to sand using my 240 grit sandpaper, and let's wear our mask. Okay. All right. I'm going to use Millie's Boutique Top Coat in the satin finish. So that'll give that a nice earthy wood look. I'm going to apply it with my sponge, put that in the bowl. If it doesn't come up and I don't like it, sandbar is a really nice option. The Millie sandbar washed away stain.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to get more videos like this one. Satin done!